Accidentally deleted an app from your iPhone's home screen? No need to stress. I'm here to help you out. In this video, I'll walk you through some quick and easy ways to restore those deleted apps. Let's jump right into the solutions. Before we get started, it's a good idea to open the App Store, look for the app that you accidentally deleted from your iPhone. If you find the app in the App Store, go ahead and install it back onto your device. But if you cannot locate the app there, then don't worry, just follow the steps below. Solution 1. Turn off restrictions. Open Settings. Scroll down. Tap on Screen Time. Scroll down again. Tap Content and Privacy Restrictions. Tap Allowed Apps. Make sure to enable all the apps from here. And also, turn off Content and Privacy Restrictions. Solution 2. Unhide the app. Open Settings. Scroll down. Tap on General. Tap iPhone Storage. Scroll down. Tap on Hidden Apps. Here, verify your identity. Then make sure to unhide the app. Solution 3. Reset home screen layout to recover your apps on iPhone. Open Settings. Scroll down. Tap on General. Scroll down. Tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset. Here, select Home Screen Layout. Make sure to reset this option. After that, check for your lost app or the app you accidentally deleted. So that's how you can restore apps you accidentally deleted on your iPhone. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below and I'll get back to you soon. Thanks for tuning in and see you in the next video.